Good morning, good morning. We're here at PM and I am here because we're gonna work on something in a bit. Basically, some of you guys don't know, but I've been trying to look for a truck on the market. It's been a little tricky to find a good truck that is worth the price and really taken care of. And if I did find a truck that was really taken care of, it would just get swooped really fast. With that being said, my brother saw the struggles it was to get a truck as well. And he actually has a Silverado and he thought of a cool idea, a very generous idea. Thank you to my brother. He decided to actually donate the truck to the shop at home, to us. Here we have the truck today. It's in our hands. We came into an agreement. We kind of all discussed the conditions of sharing a truck and how it's gonna be, because it wouldn't be fair to share a truck and not treat it the way it should be treated. So here we are today and we're gonna pull the Silverado motor. It's a 4.8. We're gonna pull this motor out, do a reseal because it's kind of puking. The head gaskets, it doesn't overheat. The head gaskets are good. It's just leaking right now. We said, fuck it. It's leaking from a lot of different places. Might as well just pull the motor and kind of do it right. Especially since we wanna put a lot of miles with towing. But this is gonna be a very good tool for everybody at the ranch. So this is tight. So let's get going and pull this motor out, right? Perfect morning to start with. Almost out. Just gotta take off a couple bell housing bolts. I need the gloves again.
Get the motor mount bolts out. Once we pull them out, now we can support the tranny, and then we can yank it out. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there.
All right, so the engine is currently on the stand. We're gonna proceed with the tear down.
This side was starving of oil.
Starving?
Yeah. Look at the discoloration on that on this side from that side.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I think this is... Wow, it started heating up on this side. Yeah, for that balancer, Roy, there's like there's a like a thing that goes all the way in like that.
It threads in or what?
No, it's just like a little pico that goes in like that, and it pushes up against the snout, and you can pull it out. All right. Damn. That's all the bolt? Oh, damn.
How is it in there?
The
Oil consumption.
Creeper. Holy. Fucking bearings are still okay. No copper. That doesn't look good.
The crankshaft looks good.
I don't know about that though. Damn, same thing. Fuck.
To
If
be
you
determined.
if you want to put another, and then look, it's like a loose fit. That's kind of a loose fit. It should be tight. Same thing.
Same thing.
I mean, the bearings are good, but
Yeah.
they're just
Most of the
little
bearings look
worn.
good.
Little worn.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, they're good and they seat.
Does that one slide?
Kind of. Yeah, it's kind of a loose fit too. Yeah. And then the other size is 14 maybe.
You think the main bearings are gonna be okay?
I don't know. And then I think the sides are 10.
Very interesting.
Very good, very good.
Mallet.
And for a pry bar. Not supposed to hit it.
Inspection time.
Well, the beams are good.
Yeah.
Yeah, the beams are good.
You think they'll have heat marks under?
No.
No.
Because
Is that just for
the connecting rods move like this.
Yeah.
So throughout so many RPMs and going like this up and down.
Yeah.
But the mains are good. See?
Oh, okay.
The mains are always good.
Even this guy's good.
The mains are
Crankshaft.
fixed. Should we get this block,
It's not all the way.
reconditioned? I mean, we can technically run this and see how far it'll go, but I don't know. It's one of those things where,
It depends on the purpose.
yeah.
The cylinder walls look like
If it's long term, if it were me, I'd say let's just do the whole.
The whole thing, huh?
Yeah, let's get the crank inspected and magnaflux for cracks and put all new bearings. I don't know, and then re-ring it, put some new. I mean, we're already there. It's hard. It's hard to say at this point because it's not a damaged engine. It's not one of those.